All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions you got to answer. Let's start from you. Do you often stay up late at night?
I do often stay up at night. It depends if I have my exams or some event is going on, so I often stay up at night.
Okay, now see, try to expand your answer. For example, do you often stay up late at night? Yes, I do, and especially during the time when I have any exam. So I stay up late at night and I study all through the night because I'm a kind of a person who burns the midnight oil. So therefore, during the exams, I always stay up late at night. Or during the exams, I always go to bed quite late. Something like that, okay? Try to expand your answer. One sentence, expand it to another one, expand it to another one, and then conclude it all to the main question. Let's go on. Did you stay up late at night when you were a child, when you were a kid?
No, because my parents would not.
Past tense. My parents didn't allow me.
My parents didn't allow me to stay up at night, so I sleep.
Okay, this answer is very short. You need to add at least 4-5 sentences. Okay, let's go on. What do you usually do when you stay up late?
It depends. If I have an exam, I study. Whenever I'm free, I watch a movie.
Okay, so just link it with midnight, late at night, during that time, and it will be fine. So at the moment your answers are short and they are lacking proper content. Content means you should always have something to say. So that's what you're lacking. Through practice you'll be fine. Okay, let's go on. Did you like your school?
Yeah, I loved my school very much since it was my siblings had been to that school as well. So I constantly had seen them going to the school and enjoying the extracurriculars, and I always wanted to go into that school. So I loved my school very much.
All right. Who was your favorite teacher at school?
My maths teacher, because maths was my favorite subject back then. So I loved my teacher as well because she was very kind and she would help us at any query or any question that we asked. She was very helpful.
All right. And what was your favorite subject at school?
It was maths, but I loved science as well in my later studies, like in O-levels and A-levels, I studied science. So yeah, it was a mix, depending on what part of the school I was in.
Okay. What do you miss the most about your school life?
The free time, the extracurriculars, which I don't since I'm a working woman. So I don't get to have free time now. I miss doing the activities and the extracurriculars and going for trips. Yeah,
all right, this is fantastic. Overall, it's very good. Just be familiar with all these things and try to organize your answer in a way that there is a conclusion at the end, and mainly focus compound sentences. Your accent is good, fluency is fine. Just you need to be familiar with all these topics and you're good to go. Right? Thank you so much.
Thank you.